All right, the injectors are finally here. Time to open her up and see how they look. I'm very excited. Been waiting on these. Actually, honestly, I didn't even have to wait that long, if I'm being honest. They said like a couple weeks, but I mean, their turnaround was really quick. Let's see what we got here. Yep, that goes with the core. Freeze rain. Okay, so this is warranty. Wow. Here they are. Oh yeah. Look at those. That's nice. All the it looks like all the plastics on them aren't broke either. So that's really nice. I'm gonna unpack all of these, get them laid out. It's time to start reassembling. So this is gonna be very exciting. Hopefully I can get the truck running today. I still gotta change the water separator, and then I gotta change the oil. I'm a little worried about getting some of these bolts torqued down. So I don't know. This is gonna be really interesting, but hopefully it goes good. So just I didn't really plan on recording the whole process of me putting this back together. I already got passenger side complete since it was the hardest, but I'm just kind of showing you guys how it's going so far. Got 3 of them in, about to put my last injector in, and then I'm gonna torque the injectors down. Then I will put my oil manifold on, and then my standpipes, torque all that, valve cover, torque all that, and then start plugging in, putting everything back together. But it's going pretty smooth so far, guys. Probably next time I will record will be when I change the oil, or whenever I decide to start it up. All right, my blue spring mod finally came in. Here it is. We got a new housing for it. Looks like we got a couple new, actually I'm not even quite sure what this is, but so we got new bolts and new gaskets. So we're gonna tear out the old one and install this. The reason I wanted to do this is because it increases field pressure a little bit. And for these new injectors, I wanted to last a long time. I got brand new oil, I got brand new fuel filters. This was the old one, but I got to do the water separator next. That's what's still in here, but I don't have a socket to do that, so we will be doing that very soon though, and changing the oil. So let's get right into this.